everyone, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Rosalie and I post new videos every week. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my next video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these beautiful short nails using a small polygel kit from Saviland. This kit came with a small slip solution, a hand file, the brush and the spatula tool, this rainbow red polygel color, and some dual forms. Let's start by pouring some of this slip solution into a small dapping dish. Guys, look how beautiful this color is. This is such a beautiful red. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to start by applying base coat to my natural nails. I did my thumb first because this is my first time using polygel from Saviland, and I wanted to see how easy or how hard it was to work with this product. I'm taking a fair amount of product and applying it right in the middle where the fake and the natural nails meet. I bought this small kit from Aliexpress like 3 months ago, and now is when I'm first trying it. I went back and checked so I can leave the link on my description box for you guys, but for some reason it says that it's not available anymore. If you notice, I'm wetting my brush a lot because this polygel is super sticky. It looks really easy on the video, but trust me guys, it was not easy to work with this polygel extension. Maybe because I bought it from Aliexpress, it was sticky, but I don't know, that doesn't make sense. So if you guys have tried Saviland's polygel, please leave me your experience in the comments. I want to know if their product is really sticky or not. I'm taking a small amount of product, applying it right in the middle, work my way up, and then work my way down to make an apex. Guys, this is my second time working with polygel on top of fake tips. It's not perfect, so please don't judge. Also, this is my second voiceover video, so that's another reason why this video is not perfect. going to go ahead and repeat the same process for all of the other nails. At the end of this video, go ahead and check my Etsy shop. I would really appreciate it. I will leave the link down below on my description box. to reshape my nails, to fix my shape, and then file my nails. I'm now buffing my nails to fix any scratches left. After removing all of the dust and washing my hands, I'm now going to be applying top coat on all of my nails. I did not notice this until I applied the top coat, but this rainbow red polygel has a little bit of glitter in it. And last but not least, I'm going to be applying my cuticle repair oil to moisturize my cuticles. You can purchase this in my Etsy shop. When you buy 2 or more, you get free shipping with the code FREESHIPPING, all capital letters. I will leave the link down below in my description box. And this is the final look. Look how beautiful this color is. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.